Quick ways to troubleshoot common car problems. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will discuss quick ways to troubleshoot common car problems. Owning a car means freedom, but unexpected issues can quickly turn that freedom into frustration. Imagine being late for work just because your car won't start. It's a nightmare, right? Don't worry, stay with us as we share simple, life-saving DIY troubleshooting tips for common car problems. A dead battery is one of the most common car issues. First, rule out minor fixes. Check if the headlights or interior lights were left on overnight. If the battery is dead, jump-starting your car using jumper cables and another vehicle can do the trick in minutes. To prevent future issues, consider carrying a portable jump starter. Also, regularly inspect your battery terminals for corrosion and clean them using baking soda and water. Trust us, these simple habits can save you from untimely breakdowns. A flat tire doesn't have to ruin your plans. If you can spot the puncture, use a tire repair kit or sealant spray to patch it temporarily. Then, inflate the tire with a portable air pump until you can reach a mechanic or replace it altogether. For ultimate safety, always keep your spare tire in good condition. Practice changing it at home to build confidence. It's an essential skill that every car owner should master. Does your car make rattling, hissing, or grinding noises? Don't ignore them. Strange noises often signal issues like loose parts, low oil, or worn brakes. Open the hood and visually inspect the engine for loose belts or unusual wear patterns. If it's beyond the basics, note the type and source of the noise before consulting a professional. Early detection can save you from expensive repairs down the road. Lights are critical for safety, but bulbs can burn out or get dim over time. Start by checking if the bulb is loose or the fuse is blown. Replacement bulbs are easy to find and install yourself if you follow your car manual's instructions. If the problem persists, it could indicate a wiring issue, for which you may need expert help. Regularly check all exterior and interior lights for proper functioning to stay safe on the road. The best troubleshooting is prevention. Schedule regular oil changes, keep your tires at the correct pressure, and inspect fluids like coolant and brake fluid frequently. Cleaning air filters and performing routine checks will make your car efficient and reduce the chance of unexpected problems. For added convenience and cost savings, invest in affordable diagnostic tools. These tools let you read error codes from your car's computer and catch problems early. You don't have to be a mechanic to keep your car running smoothly. With these DIY tips, you'll tackle common problems confidently and avoid stress. Want to learn more about car care? Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others so more people can benefit from these tips. Start your DIY car journey now.